This one is the Superman and Wonder Woman magnetic grabber. That's a lot of gadgets. Go, Batgirl. Jec.
Jec-jec corner. Hi guys, welcome to Jec-jec corner. Today is a Happy Meal. Let's start this one.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Open it. We have... What's that?
Batman!
Oh, it's Justice League.
It's a Justice League.
Yeah. This one is a Wonder Woman flying disc. Superman / Wonder Woman flying disc.
This is Batman.
So basically a frisbee. What is that?
Batman.
This one is the Batman / Batgirl periscope.
Batgirl.
Yeah, it's also for Batgirl.
I see. Alright.
What about that one? It's a mask? Is that a mask? Whose mask is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let's see. Let's find out. This is the Flash and Stargirl mask. It's a dual purpose mask. Look, there's two sides. Red and blue.
It's Superman.
That one is Superman.
It's empty.
This one is the Superman and Wonder Woman magnetic grabber. Magnetic grabber.
It's empty.
It's empty. How about the next box? Yeah, let's open the next box. Wow, it's kind of big. What is that? It's a light up sensor.
Oh look. Oh look.
This one is contact cards
It's
case.
Wonder Woman. Look.
This one is Wonder Woman. The Flash or Wonder Woman stopwatch. This is a stopwatch.
Look. Look at that.
And this one is a boomerang or a batarang.
And look, it's empty.
Yes. Let's open them, okay?
Why? What happened?
Why did you throw it to me?
I'm sorry.
Right. That's a lot of gadgets. Let's see how they work, okay? One by one. Where do we start?
Oh look.
Which one do you want to do first? That one? That is the batarang. Yeah, okay. Let's see how it works. So you have to put it in. Let's try. There we go. And it says here that you can put it in your pocket. See this one, the clip-on? Put it on your pocket and you can throw it out. If you want to throw it out, you remove it from the holster. Hey, Jec-jec, try this one. Can you do this? Throw it like that?
Yes.
Okay, be safe. Go, Batgirl. Jec. Again. Try again. Throw it like this. There we go. You have a pocket.
No.
You don't have a pocket. Okay, that's fine. Just put it here. Okay, what's the next one? So what's that? It's a contact cards case. How does it work? Superman. Okay, next one. That's Wonder Woman. Let me see. Whoa! Wonder Woman! It's magic! How about the next one?
Batman.
Okay, let me see. Wow, Batman.
Next.
What about the next one? Who's that? Star? Okay, let me see. It's Star Girl. Star Girl. She's not very famous.
Flash.
Flash? Flash.
Please do like this. Last one.
Last one is...
I hate it.
Okay. Are you sure? Yeah, there we go. Super
That's
girl.
like me.
That's like you.
Wait, it's not my headband.
Oh, she no longer wears a headband. Oh, that's a different design. That's a new design. Okay, let's move on. What about the others? What is that? That's supposed to be a magnetic grabber. So step 1, you pull this out, pull it out. And then step 2, pick it up, pick this up. This one, that face. Try it. See? Try again. Ah! Again. Just gently.
Next, this one.
Magic. Okay. What is that? That's a periscope.
Periscope.
Yeah, pull it up like this. Pull it up. There. And then you look from the bottom. You look at the bottom. The bottom, yes. What can you see? Can you see anything?
Bat.
See the bat.
I think that's down.
Try it from here. Get under the table and then look from the periscope. What do you see?
I see Superman.
You see Superman.
Yes.
Beep, beep, beep. You see the logo. You see me? Do you see me?
Yes.
See, that's how it works.
Alright.
Alright.
Next.
Next one.
This one.
That's a stopwatch.
Stopwatch.
Step 1, you turn it on. There should be a switch. Okay, turn it on. Turn it on first. Switch from the back. Switch from the back. From the back. This one. Turn it on. There, and then try to start it. See? 0. Beep. 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stop it.
11.
Press again.
Hey! We need 5. I'm 5 years old already.
Reset. You need to press, I guess, the yellow button to reset. Okay. Look. Next. What is that?
Look.
Oh, it's a frisbee.
Jec-jec did it.
Yeah.
No.
They call it a flying disc. But yeah, it's just a frisbee.
Frisbee.
Yeah.
Alright.
Try.
Frisbee.
Okay, go.
Alright.
This one is a light up sensor. How does it work? You got a Wonder Woman and a Flash. Okay, what's next? This one. It's a mask. It's a Flash and Stargirl mask. Try it on. Let's see.
Flash and Star.
Yeah, which one do you like? Flash or Stargirl?
Flash.
You wanna be Flash? Okay.
But
Use the red one.
oh, it's not.
Yeah, that's correct. The red one. The red one in front. If you wear it like that, you look like Star Girl. Try it on. Go. Okay. There. Flash.
I think that's not one.
Doesn't work? Why? Oh, it falls off. Okay, let mommy try it on for you.
Mommy, you're trying. Why do you want Tiger? Alright. Tiger! Tiger! There you go, mommy.
We have the last one. This one. This is a light up sensor.
Alright, start.
Hey, pick one. Which one do you want? The Wonder Woman or the Flash logo?
Flash!
Flash. Okay. Let's put it on.
Daddy, why do you want?
Which one do I want? Which one?
You like it simple.
Batman. I want Batman.
But you like this.
I'm wearing Superman. Okay.
Alright.
Superman then.
Superman! Superman! Superman!
Wow, look. Here we go. It's lighting up. We'll put it on. The Flash. You are the Flash girl. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Alright, I think that's not good.
Come on. What about the Wonder Woman? Let's try the Wonder Woman logo. It's the Wonder Woman.
Look,
Eee.
look, with me! Let's
Put it on. Try it on. Ah. Again. There you go.
Look,
Oh,
with me!
It lights up when you move around.
I put the Wonder Woman! Look at me. With me!
With me.
I got it! I got it! I got
Hey, you have the complete set.
Oh,
So which one is your favorite?
this one and this one.
The frisbee and that one. Card protector.
And this one too.
Oh, the periscope too. Yeah, this one's for detectives. Is it a detective gadget?
I like it. Alright. Thank you for watching. Click a thumbs on my video. Subscribe to my channel. See you there. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
With me. Alright, telescope.
What can you see? What can you see? What can you see? No cheating. Okay, again. What am I holding? If you can really see it. Can you see what am I holding?
Blue card.
A blue car.